round threaded inserts are easy to use, fit by hand, and are made from durable LDPE. This flush fitting insert is ribbed for a tight fit, and we offer a plastic or metal thread type. They make a simple finish to tubular frames and furniture, and they also allow you to add an adjustable foot. We stock threaded adjustable feet on our website to match these tube inserts. Just check out the link on the screen now. Please bear in mind that this measuring guide applies to all of our tube inserts regardless of their shape. You match the outside dimensions of the tube to the outside dimension of the insert and then allow for the correct wall thickness measurement. On our website, we say to fit tube outside dimension in millimetres. The outside dimension of the tube is from one outside wall to the other. So from one outside wall here to the other, or here to here, depending on the shape. And the outside dimension of the insert is again from one outside wall, the largest side, to the other, this measurement. The insert will fit flush to the metal tube when fitted. The tube wall thickness is the thickness of the tube itself. So this bit here, this bit, how thick it is. As mentioned, you must allow for the wall thickness when measuring. For these round threaded inserts, we also state the thread size. You match the thread size exactly to the adjustable foot. So for example, if you have an M8 insert, it will match an M8 adjustable foot. Once you have matched the correct size tube insert to the correct size adjustable foot, it simply screws on like so. By hand. And then, once you have matched the correct insert and adjustable foot to the tube, pole, furniture that is being fitted onto, it simply pushes fit by hand. Like so. For our offers and benefits, head over to the individual category page on our website and scroll to the product information section. To get in touch about our range of tube inserts or for custom inquiries, you can do so with the details as seen on the screen now.